Hi guys, welcome back to another product review and unboxing video, and as you can see we're looking at a UPS system. It's the Easy UPS battery backup made by APC by Schneider Electric. 650 VA or 375 watts. It has 4 outlets, which are these here. AVR technology, surge protection, 55-minute runtime and easy to use. Comes in this nice colourful box. And we'll just run through a few features. I bought this from Amazon. It's about £40 odd on a deal at the time of making this video, which is March 2023. So this kind of UPS is not really for high-end gaming computers or anything like that. You can use it on some stuff, but really if you've got something high-end and power hungry, it's not going to give you a lot of run time, and it may say it's overloaded. So this is mainly just for like lower powered stuff. And the reason why I say that is if you look at the back here, how much runtime will the Easy UPS provide? Network gateway, so that's like a router. 120 minutes, entry level PC, 40 watts, that is very entry level. So that's what sort of runtime it'll give you on peak battery condition, obviously. There's some more information about it. 4.6 kilograms. And it takes 6 to 8 hours to charge the battery. Obviously 4 outlets, we've talked about that already. Automatic voltage regulation, or AVR, as it says on the front. It boosts low voltage up to 18%, and it also trims voltage. So what this will do is this will clean up low and high voltages coming to your equipment, so make sure the power's nice and clean. Let's just take a look at it. So it comes in this box, as I said. Normally these APC UPS units normally look like that. I previously made a video about changing the battery, but this is for something else. Normally they sort of come like this sort of form factor. But this particular one is like that. So straight away comes with a plug. It's fairly good quality as well. It's just good, so it means you can get up and running straight away. A few leaflets and bits. So really I'm just making this video to show you sort of what's included in case you're thinking about buying it, and I'll just show you it turned on, etc. General information, just gives you an overview, what to do and what not to do with it. Troubleshooting, status indicators. And apparently it doesn't have a warranty if you register it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tip this and film this with one hand, so it can be sometimes be a bit tricky. Okay. So it comes packaged with these foam ends, so in transit you know it's not going to get damaged. Also this plastic sleeving. It's got a bit of weight to it, so it's got a battery in it. And by the looks of it, it looks like it supports different types of plugs as well, not just the UK version. It also supports international varieties as well. So this is the unit here. So it's got 4 outlets, battery backup plus surge protection. So it also does surge protection as well, so that's a good bonus. Bit of a ventilation port there, you can see a big transformer in there. It's got a power button here, nothing at the front there. Obviously your power in, and on the back it's got a sticker here. And this here is the battery, and basically what you do is when you get it, you just push that in there like that, and that connects the battery up to the board, because there's obviously a big circuit board in here. That's really it. So we'll plug it in and I'll show you what happens with it. So that's that plugged in. push button. And that's it really. It's a fairly simple unit. That turns it on and off like that. And this will, if you've got it on like that, you unplug the mains. That'll give you an alarm. Right guys, I hope this video is helpful if you've been looking at buying this product and you just wonder what it looks like, what the features are. Thanks for watching.